Chapter 25 Sense Organs. We have eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to feel and touch. These are our sense organs. Help these children decide which of the 5 sense organs they are using. Write their names in the blanks. Moving clouds look good. I see with my eyes. Chocolate tastes so yummy. I taste with my tongue. These flowers smell good. I smell with my nose. It is so smooth and soft. I feel with my skin. Blowing of horns make me angry. I hear with my ears. Chapter 26 Electricity. When we play computer games, watch TV or listen to music, we use electricity. Our daily lives will be so hard without electricity. Make the tick in the box below the things that need electricity to run and cross mark below for the rest. Yeah, you can complete this activity. Next, cheetah's party. The animals have decided to have a cheetah party. They have come wearing cheetah skin. They cannot make out who's who. Let's help them. Some animals are shown inside the middle column. Draw lines to match them with their shapes after wearing cheetah skin. You can complete this activity. Mixed mistakes. Rahul went to a zoo with his friend. He came back home and tried to make a drawing of what he saw. But he got confused and made many mistakes. Look at the picture of the zoo. Circle the mistakes made by Rahul. You can complete this activity. Fun with numbers. There are numbers all around us. Let's start counting. Fill in the boxes by choosing the right options from the brackets. An hour has 60 minutes. There are 7 days in a week. A scorpion has 8 legs. There are 3 hands in a clock. There are 4 sides in a square. A volleyball team has 6 players. An adult human has 32 teeth. There are usually 3 blades in the fan. The story of Snow White has 7 dwarfs in it. Under the sea, join the dots to find out which animal it is. You can join, and this is a dolphin. Outdoor and indoor games. Mother, Roshni, if it's raining outside, that doesn't mean you start playing computer games. Roshni, what do I do sitting at home then? Mother, let's play some indoor games. You will have fun playing them. Match the games to their pictures by using the clues given below. Write I for indoor games and O for outdoor games. Write B if the game is played both indoor and outdoors. Yeah, you can complete this activity with the help of this clue. Chapter 32 Playing in the Park. Write in the blanks the names of the play items you see in a park. Take the help of the words given in blue in the poem. You can complete this activity. Next, female sports person. Write in the blanks the name of the sport with which the given female sports person are associated. Take the help of the clues given at the bottom of the page. This is the clue given. This is Sania Mirza for tennis, Mary Kom for boxing, Saina Nehwal for badminton, Mithali Raj for cricket, Geeta Pogat for wrestling, Tanya Sachdev for chess. Sports game. Sachin is at a sports shop. He wants to buy a gift for his friend. Help him to find one. Write the names of the sports game. Take help of the clues given below. Here are the clues given. You can write it. Be clean, be healthy. Cleanliness is a good habit that helps you live a healthy life. Let's find out how and why we should be hygienic in our everyday lives. We brush our teeth in the morning and at night to keep our teeth healthy. We wash our hands with soap and water before eating to keep any germs that makes you sick. We keep our nails clean and trimmed to be healthy. We bath every day to keep ourselves fresh and clean.